Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Discord app crashing or freezing on iPhone. First, go ahead and force close and reopen the app. Swipe up or double click home and swipe it away and then reopen it. Go to the app. Next, go ahead and open your app store, search Discord and make sure Discord is on the latest version, so update it. After that, we'll restart your iPhone. This will clear temporary glitches and free up memory. After that, free up your storage. Go to settings, go to general and go to iPhone storage and free up your storage if you need to. Low storage can cause apps to crash or freeze. Privacy tip: only use the official Discord app to prevent security risk. Quick fix: if crash still continues, delete and reinstall the app. Your account info will sync when you log in. Close other background apps to free resources, and that's it. Subscribe for more fast Discord fixes.